Hey, so welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be changing the transmission oil on this 2010 Subaru Forester, the 4-speed auto. So what we're going to use, we bought a couple of packs of this Penrite multi-vehicle semi-synthetic. Bought 2 packs, so I think we'll give it a bit of a flush through. We'll pump some of the fluid through one of the transmission lines. Yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, so now we've got it jacked up and safely secured. We're going to start by pulling up this drain plug here until the fluid runs out into a container. The reason I use the bag is to keep the container a bit cleaner to save a massive mess later on. Right. Did they drain it nicely? Now we can gain access to these cooler lines. So what we want to do is we're going to pour about 4 litres or 5 litres in the trans, start the car, run it through so it comes out one of these hoses. I'm not sure which way it's going to go, so we're going to have to put both ends into a bucket and start it and pump through a bit of fluid. Alright, so we're just going to pour in the whole oil pack here, all 4 litres, and then we'll start it up and run a bit of the oil through into a bucket. Yep. Oh, nasty. That is nasty. Just cranked it up to see which hose is going to come out of. We worked out it's not coming out this one, it's coming out this one. So we got 6 litres of fluid in there. We've drained out about 3.5, so if we run through about 3 or so litres, 4 litres, until it starts coming clean, we know we pumped out most of the dirty stuff. You definitely don't want to run it dry. You want to keep a certain amount of fluid in the trans, so you're not going to run the oil pump dry or anything. So, right, let's crank it up, and we'll see some of this new fluid, and hopefully it starts to come a bit more cleaner than that dirty brown stuff in there. So we've taken out 7, put 7 back in, and we'll run it, get it level, run it, check the level on the dipstick, and see how she's doing. Alright, as you can see, we got nice clean oil coming out here. We just stopped, turn it off, it's dripping clean oil, so rejoin our cooler line. Little tip is to, with these spring-loaded ones, pop the hose back on and try and line it up with the original grooves, because they kind of squish into the hose and less chance of it leaking then too, so we'll go and put this back on. looking. Perfect. Alright, so with this car, to check the level, what you want to do is just have it idling in park and top it up until you get to the correct level, which has got a hot and a cold, high and low on the dipstick. In this case, we'll go off the cold one to start with. You definitely don't want to overfill it or underfill it, so you want to pretty much bang on. So yeah, thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. And the other thing I want to add was, if you're ever jacking and using axle stands, don't rely on just the jack or axle stands. Always, I don't know, grab a bit of wood or something, chuck it in there as well. Definitely want to keep yourself safe. Yeah, catch you next time.